Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming mount compatibility and clearing the area. This matters because a mismatched mount shifts point of aim. Once mounted, tighten to manufacturer torque, then press the optic into its natural position. Make sure to align the magnifier so the red dot sits centered in your view. This reduces parallax later. While you're doing this, check that your primary red dot retains its zero relative to the bore. If not, loosen and reseat the magnifier, then recheck alignment before moving on. Once done with rough alignment, position your head and establish a repeatable cheek weld. You want the same eye relief every time. Then, bring the red dot up and adjust the magnifier focus until the dot becomes sharp. This eliminates blur that masks subtle holdovers. Make sure to check co-witness at both lower and upper positions. Moving your head slightly should not shift the dot off-center. If the dot moves when you change eye angle, recenter and tighten the mount again. To finish, zero your red dot with the magnifier in place. This ensures point of impact matches the sight picture when magnified. Fire a confirmation group of 3-5 rounds, then make fine turret adjustments until groups are centered. Once zeroed, practice flipping the magnifier in and out to verify repeatability. If things go wrong, like shift or wobble, stop, retorque hardware, clean mating surfaces, and inspect mounts for wear. These steps fix
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.